welcome back to another video on our channel. RG Team here. RG Team Devs actually, yeah, I forgot our name. Okay, so here we are in Unity. Big old video, the first Unity tutorial on our channel. I decided to make a little Unity tutorial so you can see what it's all about. In today's video I'm here with Migul Edie and Garish, two members of the RG Team Devs team. Present yourself, guys.
Yo, what's up?
Hi.
Okay. So I'm gonna be here with Garish because Migul is gonna be on mute. He's not a developer. He's just a nothing. Okay. I'm just kidding. Okay. So yeah. First of all, you need to enter Unity. Like, you need to enter Unity, you need to download Unity Hub. I'm gonna let the link in the description. And after you download Unity Hub, you need to enter Unity Hub, double click, and then you have to create a new project. You name it, and then you enter in Unity. Here is the main screen. In here we're gonna make games, tutorials, and everything. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make transition between scenes, like how to have a menu, main menu, and enter a game. You have to press play, options, and quit. So first of all, if you want to, you can customize your main screen. Like you can put the game here to test it. You can scale it. You can do what you want. I just arranged it like this because this is how I like it. So you can go here to select the here to select the camera resolution and how do you want to be the camera. If you want to be landscape or if you want to make a mobile game, you can go here and change, so you can see. But also you can also select the camera and scale it like this. Yeah. Now let's start. So first of all, what you're gonna need is to press right click here in the hierarchy and create a UI canvas. A canvas is the panel, you can call it a panel, where you can use text and buttons and everything for your game. You're gonna have the canvas like this on default, but you can also scale it to scale the size of the camera, you know. So you just have to select it and then go here on screen space overlay, render mode, and select screen space camera. Then drag the main camera in here. It's gonna appear render camera, and that's it. You have it on the camera. Simple as that, right? Okay. So now right click on the canvas, go UI, and text. You can make a text. You can see we have our text here in the canvas. So you can go here to customize your text. Let's say, I don't know, game. The game is gonna be called game. Okay. You can also have custom fonts that you can drag in Unity, but we are gonna use the default font in this video. You can select bold if you want to be, you know, with the default font. Then scale it a little bit. Arrange it and select it overflow here, horizontal overflow and vertical overflow. So you can scale it like this, and you can see you can scale it out of this parameter, this box, you know, as you wish. So we are gonna make it just like this and put it on the top here. That's it. You can change the color as you wish. Of course, we are gonna let it white like this, and that's it. Now let's create some buttons. The first thing that we're gonna need is gonna be two scenes. So we have to make a transition between two scenes, the menu scene and the game scene. So we're just gonna rename this scene. This is a default. Okay, so we changed the name. Now what we want to do is that we want to create another scene. So just go here. Wait. So just go in the project, the asset and the scenes folder. Right click here and go to create, then search for scenes. Should be around here. No, scenes, here, scene, and now just click it, and here you can name your scene. We're gonna name it game scene, or just game, easy. You can open it. It's gonna tell you to save the last scene that you were in, and here we can have a game, like but we are not gonna make a game now. We are just gonna make the main menu. But first of all, you're gonna need to go to File here in the up left corner of the screen. You go here, just click it, Build Settings, and here you can select. You can also select on what platform you would like to have the game, like PC, Android, iOS, PS4, Xbox, and everything. But we are gonna let it on PC because it's just a tutorial. So now here scenes build. You have to add the scenes so you can have a game. So first of all, select the main menu scene, because this is the scene that you want to have when the player opens the game. When the player opens the game, he's gonna be in the main menu scene. Then when the player hits play, he's gonna transition in the next scene. That will be the game scene. So first of all, open the game scene, and then add open scenes, and that's it. You can see you have a number. So this is the first one, 0, and then it's gonna be the second one is 1, because you start from 0, and you just close it. Now let's go back to the main menu, and let's go to the canvas, and right click on it, go UI, and select and create a button. Here we go. This is a simple button, default button from Unity. It's gonna have a text from default, but if you want to customize your button, you can customize it and make it look much better. So you can we can also go here and disable the image, so you're just gonna have a text and make the text look much better. Like you can hit the play here and change the bold, change it to bold, scale it, and then overflow. Here we go. And the color of the play button, I don't know, as you wish. You can go green or every color that you like. I'm gonna go orange, I don't know. Okay, like this color. And just put it. Wait, select the whole button and move it. So you move with the text too. Okay, now select the text. But this looks like very default, like very not, So add a shadow, add component. Oh yeah. So if you want to add a shadow, you just go here on the bottom and click add component. Here you write shadow, and that's it. You can add a shadow. We go in here, and you can see that there's no shadow. But you can just customize it from here, and now you can see that we have a shadow. Look, it's looking pretty good, and you can also move it up more if you want, like this, and that should be it. It looks very good. We can also make it look way better, but I'm not gonna show you this. I'm not gonna show that in this video because it's gonna take more time. This is just gonna be a quick tutorial, Okay, now we got the button. We can select it and duplicate the button. So we gonna need 3 buttons, So first of all, take the buttons and scale them here. Okay, now put this button here and rename it. Go here, go to the text and change the text to options. Wait. Options. That's it. Now just make it make the button scale it a little bit, so it's gonna be like this. Okay, perfect. Now we have options, and select the third button, which is the one here, and select the text. Okay, change it to quit. So if the player presses this button, he's gonna quit the game. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna need some scripts. some C# scripts so we can make this work. So we're just gonna go here and to the assets here, then select press right click and create a folder, name it scripts, so it can just be organized. Oh no, I have the caps lock on. Scripts, okay, and open it. Okay, and here you can go create, so we can go right click, create, and C# script. There we go. And now we're gonna name the script play btn pressed. Play btn pressed. Now just open the script. Okay, so it opened. So let's see. Don't get scared about this. This is just some basic. This is the default script from Unity. This is void start. You can see those as comments. Just you can write them. Okay. So you know comments. You write the code, and you write the comment like, I don't know, this does that. You know, and you can keep it right there. I'm gonna teach you about this void start and void update. Those are just functions, but for now we don't need it, so you can just select it and delete them. Okay, now we go here, hit enter, and write this: using Unity engine that scene management. Okay, and now just put a semicolon. Okay, so we are basically using the Unity library, so Unity engine that scene management. So with this we can use we can manage the scenes, you know, that we build, that we just build, you know. And now we just write a code that is gonna let us you know, enter the game scene when we press play. Okay, so first of all we have to create a function. So we just write public void void. So public, so we can use it from every other script, but we're not gonna have a lot of scripts in this video, but just, you know, it's gonna be public. Public void, this is a function, this is how they are called. On play btn pressed. You can name it as you wish. This is just the name of this function, and then put some parentheses. And now, like this, just put the parentheses there and press enter. Okay, now we can write the code in this. You can't just write the code here, like, I don't know. You can't just write the code here. You have to be in a function. Those are functions. So you just go in here, and now here you can write we can write our code. So we just go like this: scene manager dot load scene, and the parentheses, and in the parentheses we put this, and here we write the name of the scene that went to transition, game, because this is how it's called. Gary, stop the music! Stop the music! We are doing a tutorial here! Mother flipping. Okay. Yeah, we have basically this code means that we set this scene management because we can manage the scenes. And now we just write scene manager, the scenes, because it's just from Unity. We can use this kind of codes because we have the help of the library of Unity, you see, using Unity engine that scene manager. And now that load scene, so it loads the next scene, you know. The scene, we can name it here. What scene we want to load? The game scene. So we can just save it now. To save, we can just press. So now we need to save it. So we can just press Ctrl S, and that's it. If you press Ctrl S, it saves the scene. Now we just go back in Unity, let it load. Okay, and by the way, we need to, like everything, every code that we write, we have to end it up with a semicolon, like this, you know. I'm gonna teach you, I'm gonna make a separate video about scripts and everything, so you can understand much better those scripts and all the stuff, so you are not scared about this. This is simple, don't get scared. Okay, now what we need to do is that we need to go to the hierarchy, press right click, and create an empty game object here. Create an empty game object, and we're just gonna name it main menu control. That's it. And now we can put we just have to reset its position. We just go here to transform. You can see transform, and press this, click these 3 buttons, and click reset. And now we reset this position. Now we just have to drag the script in here, and that's it. We drag the script, and now we have the script in here, and now we have to select the play button. Let's just name it play button. Play btn. Okay, this one quit btn, and third one options btn, and that's it. Okay, now select the play btn and go down, and you can see this, all the buttons have this on click. So basically this means that when you click that button, when you press that button, the next scene, or like the action is gonna happen. This is gonna happen. So you just list is empty, you know. And we have this plus button. We have this. We press this plus button, and now we drag the game object in here. You see none object. We drag the game object in here, and no function. We select the function. So we just go to the script, play button, pre btn pressed, and go and select the function that we write. This is the function. Remember that I told you that's a function. On play btn pressed, we write plat. Okay, never mind. Just select it. Okay, and now basically when we press the play button, you see on click, this action is gonna happen. It's gonna load the next scene. So just save it, Control S, and let's hit play. Let's see if it works. Okay, so we are here in the game. We just have to press play, and voila! You can see that we are now in the game scene. So I can show you better. I'm just gonna go on scenes, game, create a UI canvas. Just select the screen space camera, drag the main camera, and UI text, and I'm just gonna write here, this is a game. Okay, and just scale it, overflow, arrange it, and scale it like this. Perfect. Then just save it, and go again to the main menu scene, hit play. So basically when the player enters the game, he's gonna see this. This is the main menu. So he just hits play, and now it enters the game. You can see this is a game. So yeah, very good. We have that. Now the options button, I think I'm gonna do in another video, in the next video. So make sure to smash that like button, and let us in the comments below what else do you wanna see, and also subscribe for more, so you are gonna be notified when we post new videos. So when you subscribe, press the bell, because you know, now actually the bell means more than the subscribe button, because basically when you subscribe you get notified when we post a new video, but now with this bell you have to press the bell, or else you're gonna be notified only when YouTube wants. Yeah, it's weird, but you know. Now we can I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna do in the next video options and quit. or actually, okay, so now if you want to make the quit button, it's easy enough. You can go just in the same script and just go here and press here and press enter a couple of times so we can have more space. Every code and everything that you wanna write, it has to be in this public class play btn pressed mono behavior, because this is the script. If you write it outside, it's gonna give you a lot of errors and it's not gonna work. You have to write it in here. Okay, now we just go, we create a new function, because as I taught you guys, you have to put the script in a game object and then drag that game object on the button and select the function that you want to happen when you press that button. So let's just write the code. Let's just create the function actually. Public void quit game, we can call it, and just go like this and just put those. And now it's a very simple code, like everyone should know it. I think there are tons of tutorials about this. If you just search on YouTube how to make a quit button, you can find it, because it's so simple. It's just a simple code. You just have to write application. I write it correctly. Application. Okay, dot quit parentheses, and that's it. And freaking Unity, as always. Okay, just delete this. Just don't do what I've done. This because Unity just changes as he wish my code. You just have to write application.quit with 2 parentheses and a semicolon at the end, and that's it. This is how you make the this is how you make your game. If you press that button, you can quit the game, you know. But you know, the problem is that on computer and in Unity, in the Unity editor, when you make a game, where you make your game, if you press that button, even though it's working, it's not gonna quit the game, because it just can't. You are in Unity, you know, and it's not working. So to show you that it's working, to prove that it's working, you're just gonna write a debug function, debug code, debug.log. Wait a minute, debug.log. Okay, just like that, and 2 parentheses, and just write quit, or I don't know, just quit, because it quits the game, and end it with a semicolon. Now we can go to the console and we can see, if we press that button, that this text appears. So that means that it's working. So that means that when you are in a on the phone or on the PC, in the actual game, when you're gonna put it on Google Play, if the player actually clicks or presses that button, the game is gonna, like, he's gonna exit the game. It's gonna stop. So just save it, Control S, as I told you. Okay, and now let's just go back to Unity. Let's see. Okay, and now just drag this script. Oh, we have it. Okay, and we can just go to the quit button, go down, and as I told you, press the plus button, drag the object in here, and go to the play btn pressed, and select the function quit game. And now just save it, Control S, go to the console. It's here on the project console, and now we can see that we have nothing. No error, no messages, no error, no warnings, and no errors. So just hit play. Okay, and if we hit the quit button, you see we have a message. So if we go to the message, we can see that the message quit that we write it in the script to appear when we press this button. Look, debug.log, and we have quit. So we can see that it's working. So when we press that button, it exits the game. So yeah, this is about it. Thank you. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and turn the bell on so you can see, so you're gonna be notified when we post new videos. Also, let us know in the comments below what other tutorials and what other videos would you like to see. And as always, peace, take care guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.